name is Anirudh. I'm the Director of Operations at Imco. We partnered with Sourcepro to develop and implement our ERP system, and I've been truly impressed with how well they handled every aspect of the project. Our business is quite complex with very specific workflow requirements. At Imco, we manufacture crushing and preparatory devices used across a whole range of industries, including sugar, cement, mining, steel, and power. But the Sourcepro team took a lot of time and attention to understand it all in detail. What really stood out for me was their ability to customize the software for our requirements and not the other way around. They built features and modules to imitate the way we actually work instead of forcing us to change our processes to fit the system. Since our company exports to over 40 countries worldwide, we have a complex set of processes both on the production front as well as the logistical front and the accounting and financial front that deals with multitude of countries worldwide. And hence we were looking for an ERP system that is built and tailored around all our needs to make our processes more efficient, streamlined and optimized.